Hello everyone, today we will be doing class 9th chapter lines and angles. I am taking example 5 from NCERT book. The example is if a transversal intersects two lines such that bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. Now here what we have to prove, you can see PQ and RS are the two lines, PQ and RS, and they are intersected by a transversal AD. Now we have to prove that these lines will be parallel if the bisectors are drawn of corresponding angles. See, these two, this angle ABQ and BCS will be corresponding angles. So let me draw bisectors of these angles. Now they are saying if bisectors of corresponding angles are drawn and they are parallel, that means let us draw it BE and this as CG. Right? Now what is given? Now see, these bisectors are parallel. We have to prove that the given lines are also parallel. So let us see what is given to us. We will write given PQ and RS are intersected by transversal AD. Now transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines. In this case, AD is the transversal. So PQ and RS are intersected by transversal AD, right? What else is given? BE is bisector of angle ABQ. CG is bisector of angle BCS. It is given that the bisectors are parallel to each other. That is, BE is parallel to CG. This is given. Now we have to prove that the given lines are parallel. That is, we have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. Right? So let us start. So we have, if we can see, just see, BE is the bisector of angle ABQ. BE is the bisector of angle ABQ. So we have angle ABE is half of angle ABQ, right? Bisector is a ray which divides the given angle in two equal parts. So ABE will be half of angle ABQ. Similarly, we have CG is bisector of angle BCS. See, CG is the bisector of angle BCS. So we have, if we will see this angle, so if we can see these two angles, angle BCG will be half of angle BCS. Right? But what is given to us? BE is parallel to CG. Now if BE is parallel to CG and we know that when two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. See, if BE is parallel to CG, then this will be transversal. AB is intersecting the two lines then angle ABE and angle BCG will be corresponding angle. And here we have to write AD is transversal. Therefore, angle ABE equals to angle BCG because they are corresponding angles. Now see the three equations that we have written. We have written this first equation, we have written this second equation, and this is our third equation. Now when we will compare them, ABE is equal to half of ABQ, BCG is half of BCS, and ABE is equal to BCG. That means these two parts are equal. So when we will compare these three equations, we will get, so on comparing 1, 2 and 3, we have half of angle ABQ is equal to half of angle BCS, which implies angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS. ABQ is equal to BCS, but see it very carefully. These are the corresponding angles for line PQ and RS. That is, corresponding angles are equal, and we know that when corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So we will write, but these are corresponding angles formed when PQ and RS are intersected by transversal AD. When corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Therefore, we have PQ is parallel to RS, hence proved. Thank you.